How to create an account on Lewis. Hello everyone and let's get started. On today's video, we'll be discussing simple terms or steps by which you can create an account on Lewis. First of all, open any of your browser and go to lewis.com. It is an American retail company specializing on the home appliances as well as home decorations. It covers wide variety and ranges such as home improvements and DIY projects. In order to create an account, you have to tap on create an account option and you will see two options. You can either use the personal account or the business account. In business account, you can join MVP's Pros reward, whereas in personal account, you can join My Joiny or My Louis account or rewards. Tap on the create an account option and you will see a form. Here you have to fill in your first name, last name, email, phone number, and a strong password. And once this is done, tap on create account and you are good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.